What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now today we're at CBS Automotive and we're getting a brand new dash cam fitted to the CLA45s. As you guys saw in that intro, this place is absolutely incredible. They've got a massive workshop and they've got so many cool cars and they do some incredible work. Okay, so now we're in the car. We've got a Thinkware T700. We've got the front camera here, which is a full 1080p, and it's hooked up at the back there with a rear camera. And all of this comes together with a battery pack, so it records 24/7, even when parked. So if anyone crashes into me while parked, I'll get a notification on my phone. It's even got LTE, which means that there's a SIM card in that camera, so I can actually view and access the camera on my phone whenever I want. It's absolutely incredible. Okay guys, so you've seen how amazing this place is. Now I want to introduce you to the owner, Adil, who is going to tell us a bit more about this dash cam.
Hi Adam, and hi everyone at home. Just want to tell you about the dash cam install. So the guys at our team here at CBS Automotive have been working hard installing this fabulous system. So this is called a Thinkware T700. So you've got a front and rear dash cam solution now. Really, really discreet install, but also it protects your vehicle while parked as well, which is really nice. So your car's protected not only on the road, but also while parked up as well. And you've got full live view functionality on the dash cam as well.
Yeah, no, it looks great. It's nicely tucked there. You've done a really nice job of the cables as well. And I never had a dash cam before with its own battery power. So usually my dash cams are hooked up directly to the car battery and it drains it. And you know, just to be able to know that this can record my car basically when it's parked all the time. If anyone touches this matte paint, I'm going to know.
Exactly. You've got all that recording stored directly right up to the cloud, but also onto an SD card as well on the camera. So we're actually going to be filming, and we've already filmed a full video on the actual whole install as well on our own YouTube channel. So make sure you go hit the subscribe button on our channel. Link for it is in the description below on this video. But there'll be a full video if you want to know a little bit more about dash cams, but also some of the other stuff that we do, because we don't just do dash cams. We focus on car audio systems. We've done Wilfred Zaha's, Shmi 150s. We've got a whole host of celebrities that we've done work for, but also a whole host of different upgrades to cars. So mostly electronic, but we also do some other stuff. So make sure you go check that out, because there's loads of awesome content on there as well.
Yeah, check these guys out. I've been watching their YouTube channel. That's actually how I found them, and I saw their YouTube channel. They've got some amazing cars, and I thought, you know, I gave him a call, and yeah, he was really happy to have me down, and yeah, he's done an amazing job. I can't wait to test it out. I need to download the app on my phone because you can actually stream directly live because it's got a SIM card in it. Can't wait to test that out. I'll be doing a full review of this dash cam as well. But yeah, if you're thinking about getting one of these, then give these guys a call because they do an amazing job. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give the video a like because that always helps me to channel out. And special thank you to CBS Automotive for installing this dash cam, inviting me here to their amazing workshop. And you know, they've got a YouTube channel as well, so I'll pop their YouTube channel in the description. Make sure you check that out. They're actually doing an amazing giveaway at the moment. Their YouTube channel is on its way to 10,000 subscribers. And when they hit it, they're giving this PlayStation 5 bundle away to one lucky winner. Check out their YouTube channel in the description below to find out how to enter and win the amazing PlayStation 5. And remember guys, I'm going to be making a full in-depth review of this dash camera, testing out all of its features, from its speed camera detection, full parking record mode, continuous driving, and loads more. This dash cam setup with the battery is amazing and has so many great features which I just can't wait to test and share with you all. Make sure you're subscribed to ABAUTO so you don't miss my full review, and of course, lots more videos with the amazing CLA45s. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and a huge thank you to CBS Automotive for their amazing work. Thank you again guys, I'll see you next time.